Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello everyone, you are watching ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Now it's time to present a roundup of currency and commodity markets for the last week.
So what were the last week trends on Forex?
Bulls took control over the US dollar during Friday's session.
And what caused investors to buy the US currency?
The rally took place after a report that showed the US economy created jobs at a robust pace last 2 months. This data supported expectations for a third hike by the Federal Reserve System this year. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against the 6 major currencies, rallied to 95.78 on Friday. For the week, the dollar's index gained 38 points. The US economy added 222,000 jobs in June, more than the 179,000 new vacancies expected by analysts. Figures for April and May were revised upwards. The unemployment rate went up to 4.4% from a 16-year low of 4.3%, indicating more people were actively looking for work. This is a sign of confidence in the labor market. However, wage growth continued to lag to an annualized 2.5% in June, below forecast for 2.6%. The fast pace of jobs growth reassured investors that the US economy is strong enough for the Fed to raise interest rates once more this year. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar jumped to 10-month high around 1.2874 late Friday after stronger than expected Canadian jobs data bolstered chances for a rate hike by the country's central bank this week. The Bank of Canada's meeting set for this Wednesday will be closely watched. This is all we have on currency moves for now. Anna, talking about commodities, what the news there?
Both oil and gold fell in price.
What supported sell-offs?
Oil prices ended sharply lower on Friday as a rise in US crude production and a weekly climb in oil rigs triggered concerns that OPEC-led efforts to bring balance to the market are in vain. The number of active US oil rigs moved up by 7 to 763 last week, according to Baker Hughes. That data, combined with a weekly rise in total US crude production reported by the Energy Information Administration on Thursday, pulling WTI prices to the lowest close in nearly 2 weeks. September Brent oil futures on London's ICE Futures Exchange slid to $46.71 a barrel, with a weekly loss of about 4.2%. August WTI futures plummeted to $44.23 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. For the week, prices were down roughly 3.9%. At the same time, gold prices dropped to their lowest level in about 4 months on Friday, as a relatively strong job market snapshot for June fueled expectations for another hike in the US interest rates this year. August gold futures settled lower at $1,209.70 an ounce, and that settlement was the worst one since mid-March. Prices ended down by 2.6% over the week, logging the 5th straight week of declines.
Anna, many thanks for the updates of commodity market. That was ИнстаФорекс weekly review of currency and commodity markets presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.